Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating error E21 on your Siemens washing machine, especially the 2025 models, you're in the right place. This error can really throw a wrench in your laundry day, but don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step so you can get things running smoothly again. First things first, what exactly is error E21? In Siemens washing machines, this code typically signals a problem with the drainage system. It means your machine isn't able to drain the water properly, which could lead to a flooded laundry room if not addressed quickly. This issue is common in 2025 models due to potential buildups or mechanical glitches, but it's often fixable with some basic troubleshooting. Let's talk about the possible causes. Error E21 is usually triggered by a clogged drain pump, a blocked filter, or a kinked drain hose. Over time, lint, coins, or even hair can accumulate and obstruct the flow. In some cases, it might be a more serious issue like a faulty pump or sensor, but we'll start with the simple stuff. Now, for the troubleshooting steps. Begin by unplugging your machine for safety. Locate the drain filter, usually found at the bottom front of the unit, and carefully remove it. Clean out any debris you find, use a cloth or brush if needed. Once that's done, check the drain hose for any bends or blockages. Make sure it's securely connected and not kinked. After clearing potential clogs, plug the machine back in and run a drain or spin cycle to test. If the error persists, try resetting the machine by turning it off for a few minutes or consult your user manual for a specific reset procedure. If none of this works, it might be time to call a professional technician to inspect for deeper issues. To prevent error E21 in the future, make it a habit to clean your filter every month or two and avoid overloading your machine. Regular maintenance goes a long way in extending the life of your appliance. I hope this guide helps you resolve that pesky error and gets your Siemens washing machine back in action. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.